Hello my loves, it's Kasia Plannerista 101. Today we are planning and my catch-all for October 11th through the 17th. I am going to be using one of those books with 5 sticker sheets. This one is Neutral Jungle or Natural Jungle. And I am going to be using some rang stickers with it. I think that might be fun to do. So I'm going to start off with removing some of the lines and adding some leopard, like so. I like creating little things and looks like this. It brings me so much joy to be able to play with my planner like that. Also, I wanted to say thank you. If you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. And if you are brand new, welcome. I hope you enjoy my content. And if you don't mind, just leave me a comment down below if you are brand new so I can say hello personally. I love getting to know all of you, and I've made quite a few very valuable friends. So here we go. I am going to add one more. And then I will start playing with these leaves and adding some of that. So this planner is actually a classic size vertical planner called Beauty in Floral. I chose this one as my catch-all because of how neutral it is. There's nothing really that needs coverage outside of the lines, which are actually necessary. So I really love how plain and simple and just lets us decorate the planner ourselves. Okay, I'm just gonna keep adding stickers till I am done. So we have Wild Soul and Brave Heart, and I put that on top of that beautiful leopard print. Okay, let's add that. I think that's cute. So I'm adding these funky leaves to add a different dimension and kind of different pizzazz into this spread. I think it is so fun and different and really intricate that it brings something else to the table. When I saw this book, I knew instantly that this is something I'm going to love because of how nude it is. And we're back to Mojo Jojo stickers. Her maple color is dead on with Happy Planner, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some of her boxes into this spread. So I'm just pulling boxes. Okay, so I like having at least 1 or 2 on each day, so I like overlapping them and having some fun in intricate ways of placing them down. Okay, couple more boxes. And this color also matches so perfectly with the Happy Planner. I am so amazed. I'm gonna add a few little additions like that coffee. That leopard bag will go perfect with it. And then, of course, some beautiful eyelashes, because why not? And then a saying called Pretty Girl Rock and a lipstick. What do you guys think? I absolutely love this spread. I think it's so fun and different, and I just love it. I hope you guys do too. If you do, don't forget to comment and like underneath. I love reading all of your comments. I usually wait for them to sit down and read them all at once, and then I'm like overwhelmed with gratitude. Anyhow, thank you so much again for all of your support, and have a great week. Bye!